Hi, this is Mark from Sicon, and today we're going to be looking at installing fixed assets. So first of all, I've navigated to the site. We're going to download the add-on. So I'm going to go into the business partner section, and you'll need to log on. If you don't have a log on, you can contact our customer services, and they'll send you one. So I'm just going to log in. And I'm going to navigate. We've got the Sicon products here at the top. Just close it down. And I'm going to go to Sicon Fixed Assets for Sage 200, and you'll see here that there's various versions of fixed assets for the different versions of Sage, the appropriate ones. So you've got ones for Sage 200 5.1 to Sage 200 2011. So I've downloaded this, and I'll share in a second. But we've also got templates for importing, release notes, and a sales guide there. So I'm just going to close this down, and I've got the package unzipped here. We can open it, and what we'll find is various documents on release notes, upgrade instructions, installation instructions. We've got our import templates as well. Up the top there's a folder with them in, but the things that we're interested in are these two SDBX files, which will be used to add the add-on in. So I'll open up the system administrator and just log in here, and I'm going to go into the add-on section here, and I'm going to right click and add new add-on. I'll just use the simple mode. I'm going to browse. These can be done in any order, but if I go to the desktop here and go to the fixed assets folder, I'm going to start off with the common components and just install that. Now that's installed correctly, so I'm going to hit finish there, and I'm just going to add the fixed assets add-on as well. So go to next, add the fixed assets add-on, and install. Okay, and now I can hit finish once that's done. It's then going to prompt to update all companies, so I'm going to hit yes there, and this is just going to add the tables into the database for the fixed assets module. Okay, so now that's done, we're going to click OK, and we need to add the features to the role. So I've got this main role here, and you can add it to obviously multiple roles, but I'm just going to go into features here, and we should now have an option at the bottom for fixed assets. So I'm going to click that and click apply. For any users that we can see all the options actually here if you want to be specific to what options you give certain people. But if anyone's closing off periods, you do need to enable on their role, you do need to at least enable the script all users, because there's a check when closing off the periods and closing off the year that the fixed assets run has been done, and without that we can't run the check. So I'm going to click OK to that now, and so I'm going to open up Sage. I'm just going to log in. I'm going to demo company 1. And we will see the option at the bottom here for fixed assets. So this one here, this folder, and obviously you can move that around using the menus, but you can see all the options here. So you can add a new asset and go into the inquiries, etc. You've got the settings, and this will all be set up, so there's nothing more to do here. And so in the next video we'll show you how to set up the fixed assets module.